Sita banglok na perpanduan ke bangun.
Long le nang thek long an long le nang thek long sta min ka inut kar ke ke kaching hon lo ke tu ma ke suik big lo so join is mil tapi ni kada nang kang ni lo ke song ka du ka le tum me cepat duk pik ke kan lo kasi tu ke mang sta me chungwek ko sini
nangli fan ke moni tu ke artis lapen la arjana beauty lapen nangli ke musip sta pini dak nangli ke dak pini kachesong long klam long nangli fan nang thek long pen nangli ko pia akin lapen nangli ko pike man dak kachesong long klam long nangli ke bang
kalang churolo apu media bitu ngutum phan labang solam nili phanang karjo pot kalang lo ili tum che thek long lor lo jela dak pini dak ko sosi ke chingrum nang ko make Bang bom aprang pen ilitum ko ano ni ichpaduk bom stami nililaan bang ke theklong lelang stami non dak pini nili ke bang jui manang ke dudun mate ke bang alam the bang ke mithang hem hongkuk si ilitum phan ilitum korte tum phan stami la lahai longle alam si ilitum hananga tengkheng bolote ilitum apirthe adim yong selang ilitum lason naga tengkheng pen ilitum da chichak one laso ka chichak one si labangso arait justice ke long nang je phan stami nilita ningpung pik si dak nang chi song phan ke bang lo la pen ho la bang so justice long le tik ni litum ke sangse ni lis tame sangse ki thije phan ke ni li gere dilo sitame la bang so arait kupi manon ni litum kadiman las bang so bang litum chun vek nang po la pen chirot kut pen kadu ko same la bang so kachi song ma geng ton pon pelu bsen ning chi the la pen la bang so kachi song long litum chun vek po busi ni tame ning chi thelo so thank you cholo
first of all, thank you for letting me speak for my own people because whatever the situation is going here, it is very heartbreaking. And as being a Karbi girl, I will definitely support my Karbi people. And the main reason is people are demanding for the eviction of the illegal settlers who are residing in PGR and VGR areas. So this is to be clear that this is not communal clash or it is not against any religion or tribe, but it is just a demand for the eviction of the illegal settlers who are residing on the PGR and VGR areas, and after the incident that happened in Peru, that is really heartbreaking. The situation is like if it is this much serious, then there is no future for our youth. I'm here to support, and yes, in my last, I will keep supporting. And we will not step back until we have the order of eviction. Thank you.